This video, which explains how to edit a 5 behaviors team, is presented by Disc Profiles for You, a Wiley authorized partner and consistent Diamond Award winner since 2015. If new members need added or someone has left an active 5 behaviors team, you can edit the team by following the steps in this video. If you are adding a new member to the team, you will need 35 Epic credits per additional member in order to send them an assessment. Log into your Epic account at admin.wiley-epic.com. Click on the Manage Reports header and choose Edit Existing 5 Behaviors Team. Under Search Criteria, use any of the search fields to locate the team profile. Click Search. Locate the team name you would like to update and click Edit located to the left of the team. You will be taken to the report details. Edit an existing team member by clicking Edit on the right of the team member's name. To add a new member to the profile, use the Add Team Members section discussed later in the video. If you chose to edit a team member, after clicking Edit next to their name, you are taken to the respondent information where you can change the team member's details, their name or email, whether they should have access to view the report, and if you would like them included in the team profile. Once all the edits are complete, click Save Changes. To add a new member to the profile, use the Add Team Members section. There are 2 options to add members. For the first option, you will enter one or just a few learners by adding their name and email addresses under the Enter Individual tab. We suggest using team members' full names, as it will make searching for their record much easier if you provide both their first and last name. Under View Report, No is the default. This is to ensure everyone on the team has completed the assessment before they are able to view the profile. If you click on the word View, it will open an explanation of this information and gives you instructions on how to give members access to view the profile online. Go to Manage Reports and under Batch Functions, click on Edit Report Options and select Yes under View Online. You can only allow viewing to learners once everyone has completed the assessment about the team and the profile has been run. Once you have entered the team member details in the fields provided, click Add. The team member will autofill below so the email and name fields will clear and are ready for another learner to be added. Once you have added all of your additional team members, click Next. The second option to add learners is to use the Import from Excel tab if you have a larger number of learners. You can download the Excel template to use in this section. The template can also be found under Manage Reports, Download Import Template. Choose the Respondent template and click Download on the right. On the screen is a view of the Excel document to import in order to add all learners. The template cannot be modified in any way. All fields must be text only. No additional information or cells can be added. When the Excel document is complete with the learner's emails in column A, no hyperlinks. Their full names in column B, first name space last name. And the number 0 is entered next to each team member in column C, as profiles can only be set to no view initially for members. This is to ensure everyone on the team has completed the assessment before they are able to view the profile. Go back to the Add Respondent section and click the Upload button to add the learners from the spreadsheet. Once you upload the list, it should show up similar to this. You are able to click the X on the left of anyone that you do not need to send an access code to. It will also let you know if something needs corrected. Click Assign Access Codes. Delivery and Auto Reminder Options. The default condition is for access to be delivered immediately. You can also deliver access codes on any future date and time. Click On This Date radio button to open the calendar. If you choose a future date, the reports will show pending in your account until they are completed by the learners. After you choose a date, you will want to set up an auto reminder, which will be sent out to the individuals who have not completed the assessment by a certain date. Our suggestion is 5 business days after the initial email is sent out. If you do not select the Reminder radio button, no reminder will be sent, and you will have to manually send all reminders under Manage Reports, Resend Login Information. Epic limits the number of reminders per access code to 3. If a learner has not completed their assessment after 3 reminders, you will have to cancel the access code and reissue a new one. An example of setting up a reminder. If you have selected February 26 for the training date, you may want to send the assessments out February 5th and select the reminder to be February 12th, first thing in the morning, so they are front and center of the learner's email. This will ensure you have plenty of time to review the report information before training. If you would like a custom subject line in the reminder email, you can do so by checking the box labeled Use Custom Reminder Subject. Our experience has shown that the use of 2 asterisks, the word hot, followed by 2 more asterisks, and then the words, "Please complete by end of day," works well in encouraging learners to complete their assessment. If you would like to ensure the email has a more personal message, you can insert an Epic email system variable. You can choose what items you would like added to the subject line to help learners recognize the email from the platform is not spam. Epic will notify you the number of credits that will be charged to your account if you have added new members in a pop-up from Wiley. Click OK. The second pop-up from Wiley is regarding including a custom email. If you would like to include a custom email message or change the subject line, select OK. To learn more about creating custom messages, refer to the video, Epic, How to Create Custom Messages. Click Cancel if you would like to use the default message created by Wiley. You will see a green bar at the top which confirms the action has been completed and that the access code has been sent or scheduled. Finally, if you have added new members and were charged credits, you can see your new credit balance on the bottom as well as your credits on the top of the page next to your username. Please note that credits are actually suspended from your account, though can be reclaimed at any time until the learner begins their assessment. To unassign and reclaim credits, refer to the video called Epic How to Unassign Access Codes, Reclaim Credits. Please reach out to us if you have questions about anything in this video or if you have questions about any Wiley product. You can contact us at this number or email us at info@discprofilesforyou.com.